Alright guys, today I'm going to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new 15 watt 5-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. I don't want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Type-C plug. User manual. The actual charger itself. That's cool. Should open up. So you can put your phone here, watch here, AirPods here. You're able to modify this one for your watch. And as you can see right here, they have this one nice and tucked away. So we can extend this one, plug it into here. And then let's go ahead and actually try it out. All right, so let's go ahead and actually plug it in. There we go. So like I said, down here you would put your AirPods, and you could feel the magnet right there. We'll put our watch back here. As you can see, charging right up. And then last but not least, we'll go ahead and put our phone right here. And there you go. So now you got all three of your devices charging at once. And the other cool part is back here, you also have one additional output. So we'll go ahead and actually plug something into that as well. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug something into the one back here, which is a Type-C. We'll even plug in another phone. There you go. So you got two phones, a watch, and the AirPods charging all at once from this little cube. So very, very convenient. I love that you could even have your phone this way if you want to keep watching like YouTube, Netflix, whatever, or this to keep scrolling, whatever you want to do. So very, very convenient to have. Like, it's super compact. Take it with you wherever you go. One of the other things that I do want to show is this light button. So you do have two options on there. And then if you're charging it like at night by your nightstand and you don't want all those lights, you can just simply turn it off and everything will still keep charging. So very cool. So if you guys are looking for a new 5-in-1 charger, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below.